Wheezing can be a normal, healthy response to an unhealthy environment, or wheezing can be a sign of asthma. I'm Dr. Alan Green, and I want to talk with you for a moment about how to tell the difference. What causes wheezing anyway, and when is it healthy and when is it not? Well, to understand that, first let's all take a deep breath together. When you breathe in, the air comes through your nose or mouth, through the big windpipe, and breaks into two big bronchi, one into each lung. And from there, they break into a whole bunch of little smaller bronchioles. It's almost like a tree branches branching out. And those bronchioles are where the wheezing happens. Let's look at a bronchiole. Here's one of those small airways. Now, if you happen to walk into a cloud of something that's toxic, your body is going to respond instantly to try to protect you. The first thing that'll happen is the muscles around the bronchioles will tighten, will constrict down, almost like a boa constrictor, and you get the tight airways. If that toxic cloud is still there to protect the delicate tissues deep in your lungs, swelling of the lining will happen with inflammatory stuff to help protect you from those toxins. And if it's still there and still irritating, mucus will begin to be secreted to be able, again, to capture and protect you from those toxins. That's wheezing. Asthma happens when your airways are hyper-responsive, when they're twitchy, when they're hyper-alert, and they respond to something that's not truly dangerous. The problem with that is when your bronchioles are constricted and swollen and have mucus in them, that narrow little opening is hard to breathe through. You have to work to breathe, especially to breathe out. And that hard breathing through a narrow passageway is what creates the sound we know as wheezing.